In this video, I will show you how to install all Kodi application versions on your Android TV or Smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV, Firestick or Smart TV and want to install Kodi or all the versions of Kodi to Android TV and you cannot find them on Play Store, this is exactly what you have to do. Please follow this video right up to the end because we are going to be using a third-party application called Unlinked. And for us to use Unlinked, we have to first of all install Unlinked to our Android TV. So if you don't have Unlinked application, this is how to install it. The first option is to go over to the download of application here. So download is an application that helps you to install files on the internet by just using codes. So in this case, we're going to be using a code to use to install the Unlinked application. Now, if you don't have to download on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There's a link up attached that's going to help you to install download that to your Android TV. To go over to the code section, once you install the Unlinked app, so go over to this code here and type in the code. Please follow attentively. So here is the code 10381. Once you type in the code to download the Unlinked app, just go ahead and click on go. Now the way download that works, if the code is okay, you're just going to go straight away to downloading and installing that particular application that we're interested in. So here's it, and the application is about to start downloading right now. So here's the application downloading. Once it's done downloading, all we have to do is click on install. So just click on install the application. Go over here and delete the file from your computer to save space. And once it's deleted, we go back to our computer app store. And as you can see, here's the application, the Unlinked application. So just go ahead and launch it. It is very simple and easy to use. So launch it, and here's how it's going to look like. So Unlinked uses library, and for you to access a library, you have to put in a library code. And in this case, the library code we're going to be using is called everything. So you go over to this keyboard and type in the code. Please follow attentively. So here's the code everything. Once you type in that code, just go over here and click on done. So this code is going to bring us to a library where you can install Kodi application and also all the other versions of Kodi. As you can see, here are the instructions. You can read through these instructions. Now some of these applications work perfectly with a VPN. So if you face difficulties installing or launching a particular application, you might want to use a VPN. And if you don't have a VPN, check the description of this video. I've attached 2 VPN options, the best VPNs in the world that you can use to watch or use this application. So choose any one of them and go ahead. So once you are done with it, click on enter and enter here. Once you enter here, just scroll down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9th option is Kodi. So that these are the Kodi versions. There's Kodi version 21, there's Kodi version 19.2, there's Kodi version 20.2, there's Kodi 20.4, Kodi 20.5 Nexus. So here are the 5 versions of Kodi they can install on your Android TV using this library. So just choose anyone. If you want to install anyone, click on it once, and there is an option that is going to come with the download button. And all you have to do is click on download button and go ahead and download the application to your Android TV and start using. This is very simple. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.